Good afternoon, 2E1CQ once again. I was, the last 2 weeks, I was asked by these people, TidRadio, via email correspondence backwards and forwards, if I kindly would review their product, which I've got here, which is this. If I put that in the box, hello, something's falling over. Bit of lighting, and put that back into place. I appreciate this device isn't exactly new. It's been out for a few years, and no doubt there's other videos on this. But I thought I'd actually give it a go. Nobody's asked me before. What you get in the box is obviously the device, a programming cable, which is USB-C connector and USB cable, which I put there, and obviously a card telling you who it's actually from, and an instruction manual. If I can take this away for the moment and give you an idea what radios can be programmed via this device. This is obviously an old manual set of instructions. I don't know when it was actually printed, so the actual radios may have obviously improved. So I'll give you a rough idea. So it's the Baofeng UV5R, which does include the BF5 and the S9 UV10R, the GT3 888S, UV82, the UV5RE, and for TidRadio you've got the UV5R under their brand, UV5R Pro, 777, 77S, the 66, the HS, the GM5R, and for some others you've got, for RT systems, you've got the H777, RT22FRS, the RT22, and for, there's me lighting gone down again. Let's see if I can get it back up, show the product a little bit more. Let's have a look. For the others you have, I don't know what these radios are, but you've got the LT316, it's got beta in brackets here, the K980 HP beta, I'm not too sure what those are. So it may have obviously increased over the course of a period of time, and I will be doing a more of a comprehensive video later on once I get myself familiarised with this product. So it's just an unboxing video, just briefly, and watch out for the new one. 2E1CQ. Thank you for watching my YouTube videos. Please like and subscribe. Catch you later. 73s.